Mami Mao Akwaba Eba Ghana TVGH and say happy new month to you also. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for following us, and thank you for commenting. Thank you so much. John Mama, John Mama, I say John Mama, John Mama, Queen, 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 no. Senamunti asie. Queen, Queen, no chire se e kombe die. Ni. Bisi den, Queen, Queen, no. E chire se. E bed dadamu. Untimi nya unshi nzo. Ube swansu, unze ni sa. Ene Queen, Queen, no. Ene Queen, Queen, nesi. Queen nesi in the sense say, as you and I are speaking, right at this moment, transport unions be Eddie Ababonti say, from 2nd of June, they are going to increase their fares by 20%. By 20%. Now, moi a year, omuye NDC for assembly pena on say, omuye comparison with Akufo Addo government no. Omu bra bonti be kachire say Akufo ni 8 years munu. How many times the transport fares go up? Even in COVID, abra cars were taking lesser number because of social distancing and stuff. And no now drivers omu increase lorry fare. And to say, come for the argument. Bring the argument. Bring yourselves. Bring yourselves, so Biko, bring yourselves. I'm asking you now. You see, you can't answer. Untimi yeah no. And the reason you can't answer any say, you know very well. NDC for an empire say, a banu performance, say presidents and government to perform. They stand nowhere when compared to the MPP. Amonim. Everybody in NDC knows. Mention one single social intervention NDC has implemented in this country since independence. Mention one. Bakuse. Omonibi. They do not have and they cannot mention. Ebushanfo baby bia o Ghana habia. Se ope photographers omunim juma. Ebano editing, omutra pictures, omu cameras, akesie, lenses, akesie, omu drones, ni bibia opebia no, touch of the way photography for, omu naba air screen, so esa o contact omu, say yeah, a wedding, funeral, birthday party, and I say, asasi bimpo na wana opese, uhian drone video, ni drone pictures of asasina. But modern say wa contact touch of the way photography bebia upe so omo ye juma no ma e Ghana ha bebia no omo ye claro na omo ya ma and omo ye very 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 affordable so upe so ye birthday photo shoot mo manoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter very important but modern say only touch of the way photography for wedding komo. And they catch them say Ghana TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I can say Ghana TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe when you have the special discount. And your money. It's a transport fare, air cost through electricity bill, air cost through water bill, up. Bibia up. Even government services are buying air map citizens na akosro. We now be catching me say inflation 3.something%. Say inflation 3.something%. How are people increasing lorry fare by 20%? Come and explain to me. Say inflation 20%. 3.something%. Sorry. Say inflation 3.something%. How are people increasing lorry fare by 20%? And no natural say ɛyɛ kwenkwen aban na aba, ɛyɛ Q-net aban na aba, ɛyɛ ntoro aban na aba, ɛyɛ settings aban na aba. NDC aban we led by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, ɛyɛ settings aban. Settings aban. And that is why the whole central bank it mean boka 44 billion. And they don't want us to say it. Uka na ya chew. Na maboka say maboka. Hey, maboka is simple maboka. So why are you arresting us for talking? We cry by now. I say mo prepare like to be because they'll start looking for my IP address. But we any day maboka. I buy na boka 44 billion because BOG no part of a buy no. Any part of a buy no. Maka. Let's brace ourselves. 20%. And the year time to coin free voter higher co accradi Kaba. Yen is saying you a Kaba. Your pen never pay or yimpo a Kaba. Oh, Akufaro. I feel Baomia. Dr. Mahamudu Baomia. I feel we cannot wait for 2028. Oh, maybe Ebusianfo maybe sounds to say, Umboy. When we say Ghana Sem TV GHD, we are a community, right? And that is why your feedbacks are important. That's why we respond to your feedbacks and everything. But also we need help with some of our gadgets. We need help with our studio that we want to move to and all those things. And now, the number is on your screen. Yeah, right here. Okay. Yeah, right here. That is the number. We would accept it. The other time someone sent me 50 Ghana cedis. I was so happy. Yes. So thank you so much for your contributions. Please keep helping us.
On Friday was a surprise to me. The instruction I left behind for consideration, or say I left behind was for consideration and not for passage. Yeah. My instruction was not for the discuss it, but not to pass it. Mahama said that been a lapses. Actually said the whole thing the NDC has done, no, this bill would not see light. Already, no. Oman who say, I am kwasi asem, omo de Ghana for a year crocodile the John. How can a whole speaker will come out and say, a bill that has been passed, no, he didn't sanction it. Speaker, right? At a we are board of director, or you're director of an institution, not be BSc near your way. Because that isn't the instruction you gave. That is what is happening. Now, Speaker is telling us he never sanctioned the passage. President Mahama is telling us that there has been procedural lapses. In Ghanafuɔ ankasa no, me say NDC4 wants to take us for granted. They see us to have weak brains, and therefore they can joke with us. They are joking with us because was determined by President Mahama, and today they are turning around, to tell us a different story. This one is saying that there has been lapses. This one is telling us he never sanctioned it. And see, how do we reconcile this? Me see Ghanafuɔ, you be soon under this incompetent, bogus President Mahama. He's taking us for granted. He is seeing us to be weak and weaker vessels. and therefore he can do anything to us. Right? A nipana or no say what the second independence are bano. And ne okasa ye chill. You have no right to castigate, to criticize his government. Under 2026 in 21st century, and Ghanaians cannot express their views on things happening in the country. For somebody to come out and say Doom Saba, then the person will be arrested. What level? The constitution that gave you the power to become the president, the same constitution sanctions for freedom of speech and expression. Yet the president is saying that I will not allow anybody to criticize my government, and therefore once you speak, you will be arrested. Meanwhile, that stupid idiot Kevin Taylor can sit there and say anything, then the NDC will cheer him up. But if anybody from a different side comes to err or to say something, the person will be arrested. And we have a president sitting and watching this and sanctioning, allowing the police to misconduct themselves like this. Look, Ghana no ye nyina ye dia. We will not allow anybody to tell us that we cannot speak. That culture of silence cannot be implemented at this time. Look, don't remind Mahama, you are a disgrace to Ghana and disappointment. Look, Obano, also Obabe Yenuamaye, you came to pick fuel at 14.7. And Edru say, and I'm 16. Enti Obaye no 1 year your friend say 2 years kra emayo and so hwe baby a wo man nam hwe eka a wabo ewo man nim ye gold reserve ani nyina asa dum so a wo di abeto man so meanwhile ye tua dum so levy waton kanem 27%, yet we are still facing dum so. Close to 2 years, President Mahama should come out and tell Ghanaians and say, this is what I've been able to do for you. Apart from the sanitary pad, what else has he done? Ebiana medie me ebiana masoasi ebiana meniefra me pacho. In the 2 years of President Mahama's administration, Momwane Munka Anyama Wetumi Ayenchereme. Mahama is purely incompetent. He is good for nothing as a leader. Now, opinina wotena fie mas yes say your friend is say nkolaiwe nankano ye kananka for if you allow people to insult and you cheer them up, now and you come out to sanction, to apprehend, to arrest, and to cage people for criticizing your government, it will not work. We are not going to keep quiet. Me say, we are going to point them to him. Look, Ghana, I'm sorry. Now 2028, my in fact, ya brabon to chacha biem. Na Mahama mponi na ese dun ketia na Julius Debra. Mahama mponi eni ye hu ni say na ese dun ketia. And Julius Debra, we will not and cannot go back. The time has come for us to take a decision that will help us today and the next generation to come. Our only hope and choice is Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Thank you, Obinso and Tumim Remo.